In this video, I'll show you how to order a PayPal debit card so you can use your PayPal balance in stores and ATMs. First, log into your PayPal account on the app or website. On the home screen, go to Wallet, then look for an option like PayPal Debit Card, PayPal Cash Card, or PayPal Business Debit, depending on your country and account type. If it's available, click or tap Get Card or Apply Now. You'll see the card details, any fees, and the main features. Take a moment to read through this page, then start the application. Next, confirm your personal information, your full name, date of birth, and home address where the card will be mailed. Make sure everything matches your ID and your bank records to avoid delays. PayPal may ask you to agree to the terms, verify your identity with documents, or confirm your mobile number. Complete all these steps and submit your request. Once approved, your card will be printed and shipped. When it arrives, simply activate it using the instructions included or directly through the PayPal app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.